to celebrate Independence Day, what would you replace them with and why? Trevor.
Thank you for that question. Right when you were saying it, I'm like, I hope she doesn't pick me because that's a really hard question. I'm not really sure. I feel that fireworks are such an integral part of 4th of July. I'm really not picturing what I could replace it with. I guess the only thing I wouldn't say replace, but the only other thing that comes to mind in 4th of July is like a swimming pool. I don't know why that's what's coming in my head, but a swimming pool. It just reminds me of 4th of July. It's really hot. Everyone's jumping in. They're having a great time. I'm not sure if I've ever said this before to all you guys, but my dad actually owns a swimming pool store. So I actually worked there for like 7 years of my life. So I know a lot about swimming pools, and it's like an integral part of our family. So I guess maybe like a gigantic swimming pool with lots and lots of people, having a great time jumping in with lots and lots of chlorine, obviously. And maybe not right now with the pandemic going on, but maybe next year when everything's calmed down, we can have a gigantic pool party. And that would be a great way to spend the 4th of July because it's hard for me to think of not even having fireworks. So yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Trevor.